What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. So this is a follow-up video to my 1-year review on my lift kit on my Nissan Frontier Pro-4x. So it has now been 2 years since I got the lift kit on, and I wanted to give another update. If you haven't seen that video, you can go check it out in the corner. This is the 2-year update. I got this lift installed about 2 years ago. It's the Readylift 2.5 inch leveling kit, and a lot of people are interested because it actually says on their website for pretty much all lift kits they're not made for the Pro-4x. You can't really find a lift kit for the Pro-4x that's this height. So I'm going to give my honest review. So as of 2 years from getting the lift kit installed, I love it. It's really floaty, like you feel like you're floating. It's comfortable, doesn't make the ride any tougher, but I'm definitely a fan of it. I think it gives it a way more aggressive look, and there's not really too many disadvantages. It gives it a way more aggressive look, and it's fantastic off-road, and there's not really too many disadvantages. The one thing that people seem to complain about is that there's coil bucket contact. Honestly, since the second week of having this lift kit, you kind of learn how to drive with it, avoiding stuff, avoiding potholes. Just don't go fast over speed bumps. It's really simple, but I'm gonna show you right now. I'm gonna put the GoPro on the side and I'll drive around a little and you'll see how it kind of works and if there's any coil bucket contact with this. There usually isn't. So try to pay attention to see if the coil bucket hits. You're gonna see that it doesn't, hopefully. And hopefully my GoPro doesn't fall off. That was nerve-wracking having my GoPro on there, but no contact. And now I'm gonna show you guys how I go over speed bumps, because that was a big complaint. And I have to say, it's not that hard to go slow over speed bumps, so I'll show you that. I had to do something, but now I'm gonna show you how I go over speed bumps and how you should too with this lift kit. And obviously I'm not talking about off-road, because this is not off-roading, but this is how you should do it to avoid coil bucket contact. So I think that's a pretty small price to pay for this lift kit. And honestly, you could go faster, it doesn't really matter. I just try my best to go slow over speed bumps. Anyway, this lift kit has given me nothing but happiness. You know, I'm not a crazy off-roader, so this is not a review if you do crazy off-roading. I live on Long Island, so it's nothing crazy. The most I do is just drive on the beach, which is pretty mellow compared to what some of you other guys do. But overall, love this lift kit. Gives it a way more aggressive stance. I think it should come like that from the factory, but it doesn't. So, but otherwise, I have no complaints, and I've had it for 2 years now, and it still is floaty. I love the feeling of driving it. No complaints at all. You can find this lift kit in the link in my description if you want to check it out. Yeah, not a lot of people have this lift on the Pro-4x because they're scared that it says not for Pro-4x, but as I said in my 1-year review, I think that mostly means that it's just not going to be completely level, because it's not. The front is maybe a ½ an inch to an inch higher than the back is. That's just because it's the Pro-4x and it comes a little lifted from the factory, and I don't mind that at all. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.